Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change and set up the ringtone and notification sound in your Oppo A16. To do this operation, go to your settings icon, it's going to be here, and go down and search for the sound and vibration option. It's going to be here, and there is many of option about the sound here, but if you go down you can choose the ringtone and notification sound. So we're gonna be change the ringtone right now. Let's try this sound. It's okay. And now notification sound, something like that. And now you can easily change your ringtone and notification by my video. And that's it. The video is helpful for you. If you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe. And see you by next video. Hey.